What's up guys, welcome back. So today we will be changing brake discs and pads on a Hyundai Atos. So those are the pads and the discs. So we're going to turn the steering wheel full to the left just so we can get proper access to the caliper. So we're going to take off the bottom bolt that there is going to help us remove the caliper. So once you loosen that with a size 14 spanner, just remove that bolt. That's going to allow us to lift up the caliper to expose the brake pads. Okay, once that is lifted, you can see the brake pads. These brake pads are worn considering the year of this car. The model is 2010. It hasn't, and the brake pads have only been changed twice. So that's 13 years. That's the old pads. The front. And this is the back. So the back was a bit of a mission to get out, so I took a flathead screwdriver and just pried it out. This won't be an issue if you're changing the disc, so if it gets scratched up, it's okay. So this clip has fallen out. These clips can be replaced. These are still in okay condition, so I'm not going to replace it. You can just pop it right back in. So these are the pads we're using. Kratex is not sponsored. So the pads generally come as a set when you buy them. So we're going to take off that bolt. We're going to use a 17 size socket. There's two bolts. So once you take those off, the caliper will come off. Do not forget to take off the cap for your brake fluid reservoir before you start. So now we're going to turn the steering wheel straight, just so we can work on the disc easier and we're not bumping our hands into anything. So just turn your steering wheel straight. So you're going to remove those screws. Once you have, you're going to take a hammer and hit those two spots. Once you hit those spots, that's just breaking the brake disc loose, and it comes off as easy as that. It's the old brake disc. So what you want to do here is spray this area down with brake cleaner or soapy water just to clean it off, and then if you're using soapy water, spray it again with regular water just to rinse it off and dry it off with a paper towel. That just removes all the brake dust. So this is the new disc. I generally get my spares from a local spare shop in the area. It slides on as easy as that. We're going to put the screws in those two spots that we took out from the old brake disc. So to put the caliper back on, we're going to tighten those two bolts that I said earlier on as well. Once that's on, the caliper is on. Then you just insert your brake disc. Once your pads are in and the cylinder is compressed, you're just going to slide it in, and that's it.